Find angle y below. Now, if you look at this question, you see that this is the radius of a circle. That's the radius of the circle. And this side is equal to this side. So something that we can do here to make our solution easier for us to understand is to rule a line from the center to this side now, like this. So once that is done, then you agree that this is the radius, as I've said earlier, and this is also the radius, and this side is also radius. All these three lines are radius. Now, this tells us that this triangle is an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So if this is 70, it means that this side will also be 70 because the base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So this is also 70. So 70, 70, base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. So let's assume that this top part now is x. This angle here is x. So in a triangle, the sum of the three sides add up to 180. 180. So this 70 plus angle x, we are taking this place as x, all add up to 180 as I've written down here. So that x plus 140, 70 plus 70 is 140, is equal to 180. And so I simply say x is equal to 180 minus 140. When this positive 140 goes to this side, it becomes negative. And so that will give me x as 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So that means the value of x here is 40. So this portion is 40. Now, looking at this triangle again, you agree with me that this triangle is similar to this triangle because all their three sides are equal. This is radius, and this side is also equal to this side. So these two triangles are similar triangle because all their sides are equal. So when you have similar triangle with all sides equal, it means that all their corresponding angles are also equal. So this place will be 70, this place will be 70, and this top here will also be 40 because they are similar triangles. So all their angles inside are equal. So from there, we can now say that the total angle here is 80. That is 40 plus 40. So the total angle at the center here is 80. And don't forget that this point and this point, we have two lines going to the circumference, and we have another two lines going to the center. So when you have the same lines coming from the same point, that two of the lines go to the circumference of the circle, and another two lines goes to the center of the circle, then we will take the theorem that says that angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So that will now give us that twice that at circumference, which is 2y, is equal to the angle at the center, which is 80. So I can now divide both sides by 2. I simply divide this by 2, and then 2 we cancel 2, and we are left with y is equal to 40 degrees as the final answer. So please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get videos notification anytime I create one. And then hit the like button as well. Don't forget to share the video, and finally subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.